The stock market is beginning to recover after it took a huge plunge in March of this year. In this video, we're going to be discussing 7 stocks that are worth buying up for a long-term investment right now. Before we get started, we just need to let you know that we are not financial advisors. This video is merely for entertainment purposes, and we ask that you do your due diligence before you making any financial decisions. It's a great time to invest in long-term stocks right now. Most stocks that are priced at an all-time low due to the current crisis situation, but they're sure to rebound eventually, giving you a solid return in the long run. We won't be going over the more obvious stock investments such as Microsoft, Apple, or Amazon. Those are great options, sure, but instead we'll be focusing on ones that you might not think about right away when you think about the stock market. The first stock worth investing in right now would be Beyond Meat, or its ticker symbol BYND. With more consumers steering towards eco-friendly and animal-free sources of sustenance lately, the plant-based meat substitute company's popularity and financial stability is sure to soar in the coming months and years. In fact, when Beyond Meat went public in May of 2019, its stock jumped 163% on its first day of trading. Many popular fast food chains now offer a plant-based meat substitute item on their menus. Burger King rolled out the Impossible Whopper in August of 2019, which according to them has become one of the most successful launches in brand history, leading to a 5% sales increase in the quarter. White Castle, McDonald's in Canada, A&W in Canada, Hard Rock Cafe, The Cheesecake Factory, Qdoba, Red Robin, TGI Fridays, Carl's Jr. and Hardee's, Del Taco, Blaze Pizza, Dunkin' Donuts, Little Caesars, Denny's, and Sheetz all offer some form of plant-based meat substitute on their menus currently. Even Starbucks announced recently that they'll be adding a Beyond Meat, cheddar, and egg sandwich to their menu this spring. Let's face it, meat substitute giants like Beyond Meat are here to stay, and their stocks will only continue to rise in the future. There's a shortage of meat currently, and this will only make their stocks soar higher. As of the time of writing this script, the stock is currently $134.83 per share and rising. The second stock worth investing in right now is Shopify, or its ticker symbol SHOP. The Canadian-based e-commerce company's stock has been handling itself rather well since the beginning of our current pandemic. In fact, they're even rising drastically as more people are shifting to online shopping as retail stores, malls, and outlets are all closed their doors recently. There actually seems to be a trend with many brick-and-mortar stores like Sears or JCPenney's closing up shop or shifting their goods to an exclusively online platform, making e-commerce companies like Shopify a booming success, even before the global crisis. Shopping from home is easy. You don't have to take the time to get ready, make sure that little Susie has the correct stuffed animal to bring with her on her trip, pack snacks and drinks, grab the Frozen DVD for the car ride, pack your kids into your SUV, travel to the store, or waste gas to get there, so it's simple to see the appeal. Therefore, this trend will definitely continue to grow in the coming years, making this particular stock a great investment. As of writing this script, the price of Shopify is $754.29 per share, which is actually incredibly high, but it is dropping. The third stock worth investing in right now would be Pinterest, or its ticker symbol PINS. Pinterest is incredibly popular in American social media service that allows its users to save and share anything from recipes to home improvement project ideas. You know how you always wanted to make some pallet furniture for your deck? Check out Pinterest and you'll surely be able to find detailed instructions right away. Have a hankering for some crock-pot chicken noodle soup? The recipe is just a search away. Want to see some adorable animal videos to brighten your day? Pinterest it is. Need some inspirational Harry Potter quote canvas wall art? Pinterest will not only have an option for you to make it, but they'll also have places for you to buy it. Looking for that perfect shade of gray to paint your bedroom walls? Pinterest not only has the shade, but it even gives you ideas on what to pair it with to make your room pop. Do you want to dye your hair to make it look like a galaxy? You guessed it, Pinterest. There's a little something for everyone on there, and it's only gaining in popularity. More and more people are flocking to the platform, especially during these days when we're all in quarantine, bored out of our minds and looking for something to occupy our time aside from TV. Pinterest is a way for people to pass the time and possibly learn how to make homemade butterbeer that rivals that of the Wizarding World recipe, or simply just get inspired. We all can use a little bit of inspiration these days, to be honest. As of writing this script, the price of the Pinterest stock is $17.06 and rising. The fourth stock worth investing in right now is CV Sciences Inc., or its ticker symbol CVSI. CV Sciences Inc. is a CBD company with its headquarters in California. With the recent rise in popularity caused by the legalization of marijuana in a lot of US states and the widespread usage of CBD products, companies like CV Sciences are becoming increasingly well received. In fact, 1 in 7 adults use CBD in one form or another to help alleviate anxiety, insomnia, high blood pressure, pain, seizures, stress, bipolar disorder, autism, obsessive-compulsive disorder, migraines, depression, attention deficit disorder, obesity. It even helps you maintain a decent mood, and it helps with your general well-being. There's still a lot of people out there that think CBD is just marijuana and it's just used to get you high, but this thought process is entirely unfounded. CBD helps with just about anything, and with its rise in popularity comes the fall of the stigma surrounding the products, which is making CBD usage more accepted among the population. Just look around your city or town. There are new CBD stores popping up all the time. As of writing this script, the price of CV Sciences is 37 cents and falling, making it a perfect time to buy up as much as you can. The fifth stock worth investing in right now is Chegg, or its ticker symbol CHGG. Chegg was originally just a place where students could rent textbooks, but has since become a place where students could go to get help with their homework from virtual teachers or their own library. You can simply take a photo of your problem and it will provide you a solution in under a half hour. Chegg is basically a one-stop shop for all of your college essentials. There are flashcards, textbooks, virtual tutors, homework help, internships, plagiarism checkers, and math solvers. Chegg is $14.95 a month for the subscription, but that cost doesn't seem to deter students because it is incredibly popular. As of writing this script, the price of Chegg is $65.30 per share and rising. The sixth stock worth investing in right now is Square, or its ticker symbol SQ. Square is a company that helps retailers sell their merchandise easily, providing secure credit card processing. They first began making the little square-shaped credit card readers that plugged into your audio jack of your cell phone, so you could process payments without a register, and they have now expanded to the Square stand that turns around so customers and retailers can use the same screen to process transactions. A lot more businesses are turning to Square to provide services for the payment processing, making Square a company that is not in danger of disappearing anytime soon. As of writing this script, the price of Square is $82.14 per share and rising. The seventh and final stock worth investing in right now is Nintendo, or the ticker symbol NTDOY. Nintendo has been making video games and spreading joy to children and adults alike since 1983 when they released their first NES system in Japan. Flash forward to 37 years later, and people are still going crazy over this company. Nintendo has been responsible for introducing us to such household names as Pikachu, the Mario Brothers, Link, Zelda, and all of the many adorable friends in Animal Crossing, just to name a few. Nintendo is definitely not losing one iota of popularity. In fact, on the contrary. Take a look at any store around the holidays on Black Friday, for example. Nintendo consoles and games are simply flying off the shelves. Also, speaking of Animal Crossing, all you need to do is scroll down on your newsfeed on your Facebook or Twitter, and you'll be sure to find something about this game right now. As of writing this script, the price of Nintendo is $51.85 per share and rising. To recap, in this video we discuss 7 stocks that are worth investing in right now. The market is slowly rebounding after the crash in March, and now it's time to grab onto stocks for the low prices and hang on to them for the long-term gains. The first stock that we discussed was Beyond Meat. The second stock was Shopify. The third stock was Pinterest. The fourth stock was CV Sciences Inc. The fifth stock was Chegg. The sixth stock was Square. And the seventh and final stock that we discussed was Nintendo. We must reiterate that we are not financial advisors. This video is merely for entertainment purposes, and we ask you to do your due diligence again before making any financial decisions. We make videos like this to help everyone like us save money or take advantage of any existing opportunities out there to gain financial freedom. For more videos like this, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified of our latest videos.